Hola clase. This video is for section 1.3, pronombres. Choose the subject pronouns you will use to talk to these people directly and to talk about them. Modelo, un joven, a young person. If I want to talk to this person directly, I'm going to use the tú pronoun, tú. If I want to talk about him, I'm going to say él. Número uno, una chica, a girl. If I want to talk to her directly, I'm going to use the tú form. If I want to talk about her, I will use ella. El presidente de México. He is the president of Mexico, so I'm going to use the usted form to talk to him directly. He is a male president, so I'm going to use él to talk about him. Usted to talk to him directly, él to talk about him. Tres chicas y un chico. It's a group of 3 girls and a guy. Ellos. If I want to talk to them directly, I'm going to say vosotros o ustedes, because I'm talking to the group directly. Vosotros o ustedes. If I want to talk about the group, I'm going to say ellos. Un estudiante. If I want to talk about him, I'm going to choose él. If I want to talk to him directly, I'm going to say tú. La señora Ochoa. We're going to talk to her with respect. That's why we have La señora Ochoa. So if I want to talk to her directly, I'm going to say usted. If I want to talk about her, I'm going to use ella. Dos profesoras. We're going to talk to them directly using ustedes, because there's 2 profesoras. And if I want to talk about them, I'm going to say ellas. Muy bien. I do hope this video helps you with the differences when you're going to use the pronouns talking to someone directly and when you're going to talk about them. Buena suerte.